Conjunctions. Hey dear friends, how are you? This is Pradnya. I have come back here again. Yesterday my friend was talking with me in long sentences. How she was talking in long sentences? But do you know? She was using conjunctions. So what is conjunction? And which are the uses of these conjunctions? So conjunction means a word which is used to join two words or group of words or sentences, and with the help of these conjunctions we can join sentences and we can talk in long sentences. So in this video I am telling about conjunctions with the help of example. So watch and listen carefully this video till the end. So watch. Conjunctions. Definition. A conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences together. Examples are: first example, the lane was long and narrow. Second example, the boy is intelligent but lazy. There are some conjunctions that are used in pairs. They are called correlative conjunctions or merely correlatives. Example, with the help of either or. Either go to the market or stay at home. Next example, with neither nor. He is neither intelligent nor hardworking. In these examples, either or, neither nor, these are correlative conjunctions. Let example with both and. They both loved and respected him. Next example, though yet. Though he is poor, yet he is honest. Next example, with not only but also. He not only passed but also achieved distinction. In these three sentences, both and, though yet, not only but also, these are correlative conjunctions. Example with so that. Meena was so tired that she could hardly speak. Next example with hardly when. He had hardly reached the school when the bell began to ring. Next example with no sooner than. No sooner did the principal finish his speech than the boy started talking. In these three sentences, so that, hardly when, no sooner than, these are correlative conjunctions. Kinds of conjunctions. There are two types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. First, coordinating conjunctions. Definition: a conjunction that joins together sentences of equal rank or order is called a coordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions. Definition: a conjunction that joins together two sentences of unequal rank or order is called a subordinating conjunction. Example: Ram eats apple. Ram eats oranges. Now I join these two sentences with the help of and. Ram eats apples and oranges. Now next example, is he alive? Is he dead? These two questions I will join by or and I will make one question. Is he alive or dead? Next example, he is dull. People like him. Now I will join these two sentences with the help of it. He is dull, 8 people like him. 8, this is conjunction. See here examples. Amit is not shy. Amit is not talkative. Now I will join these two sentences by using neither nor. Amit is neither shy nor talkative. These neither nor are conjunctions. See here examples. Dimple has won. Aman has been defeated. Now I join these two sentences using but. Dimple has won, but Aman has been defeated. Here we should remember there are some conjunctions that are used in pairs. They are called correlative conjunctions or merely correlatives. And there are two types of conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. So we have seen here these two types of conjunctions, and remaining part of the grammar you can watch in my next videos.